Why do the rich get richer? Leverage.
Welcome to the Scott Report. I'm Scott Robinson. I'm the guy that's going to show you how to make money faster than a speeding bullet. Follow me to financial freedom.
How does a return of 113% a year, and I'm talking year after year, how does that sound to you? If you're serious about making money and living the life that comes with that kind of money, the freedom to enjoy your life, then I'm telling you, my friend, you've come to the right place.
Hello, my name's Joshua. I'm a personal friend of Scott's. I've known him for well over 20 years. I've seen Scott come from a guy serving tables at banquet halls to starting a business in a mall, a little kiosk, and taking that cellular business to be a multi-million-dollar company and then selling that off here in Central Florida. He's a great guy, has helped me a lot throughout the years, not only in the financial aspect, but also in personal areas as well. He's a great mentor. Basically, let me break it down to you this way. It's monkey see, monkey do. What I see Scott do, I do myself. Scott makes money and I make money. That's the simplest way to put it.
So I'm really not going to promise you a magic pill, but what I am going to tell you, if you take action on the things that I tell you, you're going to make money. And actually, the process can be effortlessly, but you know what? It can be fun through leverage. The thing that I teach, the principles that I teach, they come back to one thing: leverage. I'm going to teach you how to leverage me and how to leverage everything in your life. Why do you think rich people are rich? You think because they work so many hours? No, we both know the answer is no. The thing is, they have leveraged. They've leveraged their time. They've leveraged their relationships. They've leveraged everything in their life. The reason they are successful, the reason anyone is successful, is because they leverage and they're artists at leveraging themselves. In 2001, I filed bankruptcy. I lost my father and I experienced hell on earth. It was the most difficult time in my life. I went from running literally one of the most successful wireless cell phone companies in the entire state of Florida, having it all, knowing what it's like to experience success, and then to lose everything, being woken up in the middle of the night. This is a true story. With this: Mr. Robinson, do you want to get anything personal out of your truck? Because it's hooked up to the tow truck and they're pulling it out of my driveway. I had to call my parents and ask for help. And when you're, 29 years old, 30 years old, it's difficult to experience success and then see everything slip away. And I can go into excuses, but I'm not about excuses. Certain things did happen to me that were, beyond my control. Some things that companies did. But you know what? I took responsibility. But I went through a season where it hurt so bad and I crawled into a hole. But I decided to get my head out of my you-know-what and take advantage of all the resources and contacts that I have, used over the years. They took away the physical money that I had, and I paid. Up until a point until I had to file, and I lost everything. But here I am, 5 years later. I make more money now with no employees. Well, I manage my employees, and that's one of the things I show you, is to how to live a life of freedom, literally, where everything that you do is so automated. But let's get to the heart of the matter, which is making money on your money. If I could just show you one thing that made you 20% a month on your money, how valuable would that be to you? Well, I take literally every day between 6 to 9 different income streams. Now I'm at that level that I use to generate passive income, money that comes to me whether I'm working or not. Some do require, maybe I got to go online and search or view websites. That's the max of it. And other businesses, yeah, you can go into the marketing side, but what I'm talking to you about are income streams, investments, businesses that you put your money into, and your money is earning 20 to 30%. And I know that sounds too good to be true and you're crazy, but I'm telling you, I live that life, and you can have it too. That's why I invented the Scott Report, because I'm not going to sit on this, this pot of gold. And I had a guy just call me 2 days ago, and he has 100 grand, and he put some money in one of the investments. And I'm telling you, put 100 grand. That's just where he was. And the guy's making more money off of that 100 grand. He's making 25% a month just off of one of the income streams I have. Do the math. That's 25 grand a month. If you can't live off of 25 grand a month, then put some more in. But the point is what I teach you are exact things that I do, the exact companies, the exact businesses, the exact places that I put my money in, where no one else can tell you about these things in one place. I mean, you might have heard about an investment. This isn't a stock tip. This isn't a hey, go join this company over here. I'm talking about, I made a condensed, my own portfolio of high returning investments, and I basically lay it out on a silver platter and I give it to you. And I'm telling you, for what I'm doing and the value that I'm giving it to you for, there's guys that run $1,000 newsletters for stock tips that may make 20, 30, 40% a year. I'm talking about things that are fixed. Is there a guarantee? No, nobody's going to guarantee your money. But can I show you a history of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years of a company that's been producing that kind of income stream? I tell you yes, and it's in the Scott Report. Sign up, do it for yourself, and do it for your family. Thanks, and enjoy the Scott Report.
I hate my life.
Guys, I used to remember I was stuck in those cubicles. I'm here in Orlando. I know what it's like. 9 to 5, the grind. It's over for me, and I'm going to show you how it's going to be over for you.
Why do the rich get richer? Leverage.